Alright, hello there, INFOrmed Beauties. Your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Dickinsons. Now, you guys do know, if you don't know, I am an ambassador for Dickinsons Witch Hazel. So they sent me some goodies in the mail, and I'm going to unbox them. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's jump into this. I will leave all links to products down below in the description box for you guys to go and check them out. So the first product that we are going to look at or unbox is the Dickinsons Original Witch Hazel. Now, I've tried this in my last video. If you didn't see like my everyday routine with Dickinsons Witch Hazel, I will leave it above for you guys and down below. But this is a great witch hazel. It is the pore perfecting toner. It's fragrance free. They use natural distilled witch hazel, and it's easy. You put it on a cotton ball, apply it to a clean face, and then you go on about your skincare regimen, makeup routine, and all of that. This tones, it removes and balances oils, it soothes and restores, and it helps depuffs. Now, this product I really like to use because it really, witch hazel along my acne journey has really helped me with balancing out my oils, because you guys know I am oily prone, I'm acne. So this has really helped. This has been a key staple in my skincare regimen when it comes to balancing out my skin and my oils, and witch hazel will always be it. So I'm really excited that I got my hands, or they sent me this one. The next product is the Dickinsons Original Witch Hazel Refreshing Clean Facial Mist. Now, if you guys recall from the last video that I did, I used the rose water one, and I love the rose water one. So now I have the original freshly clean facial mist, and same thing, it just said it doesn't have the rose water, but I like to use this like, let's say for example I'll switch up, like maybe I don't want to really use this and I'm on the go or I'm running out real quick. I'll just take this and like mist my face with it, as well as a midday refresher, and I really do like that for this. I really do like this for that. And so the mist on this is really lightweight. That's one of the things that I really do like about this product, is that the mist is really lightweight, and you can just spray a little bit of it, goes a long way, and it's amazing. So I haven't tried this one, but I have tried the rose water, so I can't wait to try this one out. All right, so the next product, of course, is one of the many, I think this is one of the first products from Dickinsons I reviewed years ago, and it is the Dickinsons Original Witch Hazel Wipes. Now, I love these things. They help me to remove my makeup. They're great to have as a midday skincare skin refresher. They're just a very simple, on the go, easy way to cleanse your skin. And not only that, I've used these for my underarms as well. You guys know I'm a natural, so this was great for me to just wipe down my underarm. Witch Hazel's great for the underarms as well. So I do use this from not just face, but as well as underarm. But I use this to remove my makeup. I use it to just refresh my skin. I just use these just to go. So one of my favorite, I will leave the video of my first review on this product down below in the description box. And lastly, they sent me the Dickinsons, the same thing, the Dickinsons cleansing cloths, but they're in single-use packets. Now, I've never had these, but they're really great because these are good for on the go. So these are good for to throw in your purse, your wallet, have in your car, have at work. Like, these are really great for if you are somebody, I would say, let's say you don't wear makeup one day and maybe you're a little bit extra oily. These are great to have to just clean the face, and as well as I like to use them for my hands. So witch hazel has a lot of great benefits, you know, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It has a lot of great benefits. So this is also a really great cleansing cloth to use to, let's say you don't have any hand sanitizer or something, or maybe your hands get a little sticky. It's also great to have to wipe down your hands. This is perfect. It has a great moisture to it. It's not too wet, but it's not dry, and the cloth is pretty good size. Excuse me, the cloth is a pretty good size cloth. Okay, so you can use this for your face, you can use it for your underarms, okay, and all of that. So I'm really happy that I got my hands on these goodies. They are, of course, added to my skincare regimen. And yeah, Dickinson has always been one of my many go-to when it comes to my oil control, just treating my skin, my acne, and all of that. And it continues to be a very great quality witch hazel to use in my regimen. So with that being said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video. Bye.